Want to translate spoken audio into another language using AI? ElevenLabs makes it easy to translate recordings while generating natural-sounding speech in your chosen language. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to translate audio with ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your subscription includes access to the translation or dubbing features if they're required. From the dashboard, navigate to the dubbing or audio translation tool, depending on the current version of ElevenLabs. This is where you'll upload your audio and configure the translation. Click the Upload button and select the audio file you want to translate. Yeah, using a clear recording with minimal background noise usually improves both the transcription and the translation quality. Select the original language spoken in your recording, then choose the language you want to translate it into. You may also be able to select an AI voice for the translated audio, depending on the available options. Click the Generate, Translate, or Dub button and wait while ElevenLabs processes your recording. Once it's finished, listen carefully to the translated audio and review it for accuracy and natural pronunciation. If you're happy with the result, download the translated audio or save it to your project. Before sharing it publicly, take a moment to verify that the translation accurately conveys the original meaning. And that's how to translate audio with ElevenLabs in 2026. With AI-powered translation and realistic voice generation, you can create multilingual audio for videos, podcasts, presentations, and many other projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.